Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Bluehost VPS for cPanel-less server management. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Bluehost account. Navigate to the VPS section of your hosting dashboard. Select the VPS plan you want to set up. Click on the Manage button next to your VPS plan. Once inside the management panel, locate the Server Management section. Click on Launch cPanel to begin server configuration. Now, scroll to find the terminal option. Clicking this will open a command line interface. Next, update your server packages by typing sudo apt update. Press Enter to execute the command. Wait for the update process to complete. Once finished, upgrade your packages with the command sudo apt upgrade. After the upgrade, install essential tools using sudo apt install vim-git. Next, set up a firewall by installing UFW with sudo apt install of. Enable the firewall by entering sudo of enable. Confirm the settings by typing sudo of status. Next, configure SSH for secure access by editing the SSH configuration file. Type sudo vim /etc/ssh/sshd_config to open the file. Change the default SSH port for added security. Look for the line that says #port 22 and uncomment it. Change it to port 2222 or any other port of your choice. Save the changes and exit the editor. Restart the SSH service using sudo systemcll restart sshd. Next, create a new user for server management with sudo add user your username. Set a strong password when prompted. Add this user to the sudo group by typing sudo usermod ag sudo your username. Now, test your SSH connection using the new user account. Open another terminal window and enter SSH your username at your _IP_address P2222. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.